here at the Highland Harvest Days. We're demonstrating 18th century native cooking. And the recipes I'm doing this weekend are Cherokee, traditional Cherokee recipes. What I'm making right now is a corn and bean bread. And it's something that would have been their main staple. And what I'm doing is I'm grinding parched corn and red beans that have been cooked overnight. And once this is ground down to a nice meal, then I'll add cornmeal. And after that, then I will add some hot water to bind. And then you'll stir it around, and it'll be a little sticky, so you add a little additional flour. And what that'll do is it'll make a nice dough. And at the very end, you take a little bit of, I use bacon grease, but they would have used like bear grease or the grease of whatever game they could cook off. And then you roll that into a nice ball like this one right here. This one has been touched with grease, and then we just set it right here, and then let it go for about 10 minutes. And then after that, I roll it into small balls, and then they go into the pot, boil for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they float. And after that, then we put them over there to let them steam and to let them cool. And for the natives, this would have been a high source of protein. If they wanted to do it sweet, they would either the honey or the maple syrup, or they would just serve them hot, rolled in a little bear grease, and with whatever game that they were cooking that day. They're actually pretty good. You know, I was a little surprised. I thought they'd be pretty bland, but it's like there's a lot of flavor in there.